I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Watch this video to see how Xero makes it easy to run your business, not just keep your books. Let's see how Xero's features work together to help save you time, so you can do what matters most to you. First, here's the Xero homepage, the mission control where you can get valuable insights about your business's performance. The homepage is customizable, so that you can adapt it to your needs. And tailor information, so you only see information that's important to you. You can see your bank accounts with the number of transactions to reconcile, invoices owed to you, bills to pay, and tasks to complete. Use the recent invoice payments, net profit or loss, cash in and out, and chart of accounts watch list to monitor key account balances easily. Jax is your AI business companion that helps you supercharge your admin. If you have burning questions about using Xero, use Jax. It provides quick answers from Xero Central articles. And you can use Jax to find, create, and send quotes and invoices and get insights into your customers' payment habits. Now, let's see how Xero helps you keep your financial data up to date by simplifying everyday tasks, starting with raising sales invoices. Let's make it quick and use Jax to create the invoice for us. Sales revenue is a big priority for all businesses, large or small. Raising sales invoices can be a time-consuming task that often gets rushed, carried out in the evening or at weekends, or even forgotten. But Xero's online invoices make it easy for you to raise and send invoices promptly. It all happens online. There's no need to email PDFs or send anything through the post. Our customizable invoice templates help you create professional invoices in just a few clicks. And here's where Xero's time-saving automated features come in. Use tracked or untracked inventory items to pre-populate the details in the sales invoice. And Xero has other features to help your clients understand and improve their cash flow. For example, credit limits reduce the risk of money being tied up in bad debts, helping you keep your customer balance healthy. Online payment services help you get paid much sooner. Sign up for a payment service like Stripe so you can add a Pay Now button to your online invoices, which makes it super fast for customers to settle their invoices. And you can use our automated invoice tools to send statements to customers with a few clicks. Check if invoices have been viewed, and even send regular invoice reminders. It's like an automated debt collection service built into Xero. You also need to accurately record and track your supplier bills to keep on top of your outgoings, so you know what you need to pay and when you need to pay it. The number of bills you need to record can quickly add up, so use Xero's Upload Bill feature to save time. Upload bills. Then let Xero do the work. Xero creates a draft bill for each file you upload, and there's no limit to the number of files you can add. Leave the bills page and continue working in Xero, then return later once Xero's created your draft bills for you. If you want to take your automation one step further, use HubDoc. Speed up bill entry and record costs as they occur. You can capture and upload receipts and bills with the HubDoc mobile app and upload them to Xero on the go. HubDoc automatically extracts information from the uploaded document, then pushes the information directly into Xero. No data entry needed. Simple. HubDoc reduces lost or damaged paperwork and saves time at year-end. And its duplicate detection feature means there's no risk of double counting expenses. It also means fewer unknown costs and more accurate records, spending less time on compliance and more time with your accountant or bookkeeper, adding value to your business. Now that we've raised sales invoices and captured expenses paperwork, we're ready to reconcile our bank transactions in Xero. Xero's beautiful bank reconciliation makes balancing the books faster, easier, and more enjoyable. It's automated, intuitive. Bank feeds bring your transactions into Xero quickly and automatically. Most important of all, bank feeds are reliable. There's little chance of missing or duplicate transactions. If bank feeds aren't available, it's easy to import your bank statements into Xero. Once the transactions are in Xero, the process is automated. Where transactions relate to individual invoices or bills, Xero matches them, rather than you having to manually mark invoices as paid and reconciled. It takes the headache out of reconciling customer and supplier payments. Xero's sophisticated reconciliation tools can resolve many types of transactions automatically. For example, bank rules instantly resolve recurring transactions like bank fees, coffee, and monthly bills. And our memorization and prediction tools use transactional learning to categorize and code other transactions, helping you assign chart of account codes to individual transactions. These features save time and reduce errors by treating similar transactions the same way every time, so you don't have to. Here, we have a series of bank transactions ready to be reconciled. Xero's match some to bills and invoices, and the rest using bank rules and other reconciliation tools. We just click OK on each transaction to reconcile it. And look, we've reconciled the bank account in just a few clicks. That's how easy it is for you to complete your bank reconciliation. Once Xero is taking care of your financial admin, it can then help you look deeper into how your business is performing. Introducing Xero reports. These give you a more detailed understanding of your business. Our reports interpret the financial data in ways that lead to better discussions between you and your accountant and better decisions made together. Xero reports are powerful, flexible, and uniquely easy to use. Let's look at some of these reports. The Business Snapshot is a dashboard that shows valuable financial information, such as profitability, income and expenses, and much more. Easily edit the time frame to focus on, and the metrics to help focus on specific areas of interest. Looking at short-term cash flow, use cash flow projections and AI predictions to predict the financial performance of the business up to 90 days in the future. With all your bills and invoices up to date, Xero can predict recurring invoices and bills that aren't in Xero yet. Get even better business insights using analytics powered by Sift. Use Cashflow Manager to predict your business's financial overview using cash in and cash out up to 180 days in the future. View visualizations of your financial data for enhanced insights, including trends, top transactions, and contacts. Then, create interactive dashboards to easily view your organization's key financial information and share or export your graphs. The Cash Summary report answers the "Where has my cash gone?" question. It highlights where costs have changed over a chosen period. The report helps you understand changes in your cash balance and where you need to cut costs. Earlier, we saw that the homepage gives you a snapshot of what your customers owe you and your debts to suppliers. The aged receivable and aged payable detailed reports go deeper. They show you which customers owe you money and which suppliers you owe money to. Vital information for any business. The versatile Profit and Loss, or Income Statement report, presents you with the vital details of your business performance. You can click on a figure to reveal the transactions behind it. Choose common formats for the report from the menu on the left. Compare current figures against previous periods to track trends in financial performance, which helps you plan for the future. And Xero hasn't forgotten budgeting. If you want to know how your business is performing against your expectations, set a budget in Xero and run the Budget Variance Report. Xero reports are a simple way for you to stay informed about your business performance and an excellent opportunity for you to work closely with an accountant or bookkeeper to understand your business. And that's just the start of how Xero helps you supercharge your business. Automated data, faster payments, more time, better information when you need it. Together, Xero's features deliver a smoother, more human, more beautiful experience. Now you know that with Xero, you can create and send professional online invoices and follow up with automated invoice tools. Improve your cash flow with payment services and other features. Track and record expenses using Upload Bills or HubDoc. Reconcile your bank transactions quickly and easily. And use Xero reports to understand your business data and collaborate with your accountant on important business decisions. These powerful tools combine to supercharge your business and help you take it wherever you want it to go.